Nagsimula na. Quezon City with the possession. Ooh, alley-oop to Kobe Monhe.
Way to start the quarter.
Eusebio off the dribble. Forcing up the shot. He is now in double figures with 10 points.
Lalim.
Sibog. Nakuha yung bola. Pitching it. Delikado yan. Si MJ Hoson nakakuha na naman ng steal.
Ang hirap niyan. At nagiging mental game kasi eventually yun yung mahirap eh. Medyo mas magiging conscious ka pag nandyan si MJ Hoson. That's
Free by Ivan Salinel. Clark Derrigue puts in the jumper. He now has 9.
That's what happens when you try to deny the corner exit.
MJ to Clark. Superman is in the building. He now has 11. Kinalakihan mo din ba yung Smallville? Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi, no?
Hindi. Yung ba yung basketball? Ay, hindi. Yun yung yung si Superman na,
Superman.
na series. Hindi ko napanood yun.
Si Christine Crook.
Yung mga teleserye kasi ang tawag natin dito eh.
Okay.
But to start the series, yung na-discover ko, sabi ko, uy, pwede pala yung mga ganitong klaseng show.
Naka-triple-double ka na ba?
Before, yes.
Yon!
Hinabol ko rin eh.
Hinabol mo din.
Hinabol ko rin. Nung sinabi sa akin ng Statsman, fourth quarter, lamang kami ng 13, sabi,
This is such a stupid question to ask. But, si Coach Christian ba? Malamang eh, no?
ay hindi ako hindi ako magugulat na nakatalikod talaga. But if you can time that perfectly, that is such a good, nice play.
Assist na naman ba? Oo. Triple-double. Yan yung mga last few seconds. Talagang tinalon niya tapos nakuha no kakampi niya. Bad trip siya eh. Lob inside, Hoven. Wala. Labanan sa rebound, kay Hoven pa rin. Puts it in for 2.
Ang ganda gumalaw sa ilalim ni Joe Hoven.
Sino kaya lalaro kaya sa Cebu? Si John Court?
From what I heard, he will.
Oo, no?
From what I heard,
Exciting yun.
parang yun talaga yung main point on why they loaded Jan Cor Cabajo. Tsaka yung post,
Ni Hoven?
yung the way they finish on the post.
Salaveria. Couple of fakes. Gets the basket plus the foul. Jed Salaveria. Pasa kay Lazaro. Can't finish through traffic. Tatakbo si Kim.
Grabe yung recovery to get that block right there.
Salaveria nangunguna. Masyado malakas yung pasa. Gusto na magpasab ni Jed.
Actually, kanina pa siya eh. Kanina pa siya hinihingal eh.
Corner exit. Gab Salazar. One dribble. 3-point shot is good.
Well, finally, they found a corner exit. Dine-deny ng Manila yung corner na yan. But finally, this time, he will be open for that 3. Not the usual shooter, but a comfortable shooter in Gab Salazar.
Speaking of comfortable shooter, pangatlong tres na yan.
Itong si Ivan Salinel, very smooth. And just a pure shot from Salinel. Jokno answering 3 triples in a row.
They're still just in the third quarter. Salinel tries again. That time, no good. Testado, nakalusot for the layup.
Caloocan, San Juan, Abra, Quezon, Batangas. Itong mga teams na to hindi tumitigil maglaro. Even with the big lead, they continue on. They don't look at the score. That's the way Quezon City should be able to learn how to play if they want to be one of the big teams. Just like this, getting a pressure.
Salazar, those big steps. Estado flips it up and in, off the window.
It's a nice floater by Testado.
Gab Salazar. Try to shake off his defender. Jokno umiinit na sa tres. That time it will pop out but the follow-up is good from Joe Hoven.
Well, the Whites